Printify recently announced that they'll be ending their integration with Walmart. Now, I know a lot of you print-on-demand sellers were using this integration, myself included. So in this video, I want to talk about what I will be doing to address this significant change and continue to make sales on Walmart. So let's get to it. So as I mentioned, Printify announced that they're closing their Walmart integration. They say product publishing will be disabled starting September 13th, 2024, although you might as well just stop publishing right away because the full disconnection is going to happen on October 1st, 2024. So less than a month away. You're not going to be able to have that automated fulfillment that, especially if you're making a lot of consistent sales, you probably rely upon to save yourself a massive amount of time. Plus, you just need fulfillment in general, unless you've got all the inventory and, ability to print your products. They do recommend moving to Amazon, which is interesting because, I've been saying you should be selling on Amazon since really I started selling on Amazon in 2017, but hey, it's all good. So I told you I would show you what I would do and really what I will be doing. And in this case, that is moving over to Printful. Now you can open a Printful account for free using the link in the description. Printful integrates with Walmart. They have a full step-by-step, everything you need to know to integrate with Walmart listed right here on this screen. I will link to that in the description, but all you need to do is go to stores and then click Walmart and you get the full tutorial again, step-by-step, how to do the integration. And Printful can literally replace your Printify integration with Walmart, but it gets better, all right? It's not just that you can delete your products and remake them in Printful. It's actually better than that. You can sync your existing products with Printful, but I wanted to mention one thing that you should know. There has been issues with selling print on demand on Walmart, and that is that you need the fulfillment to take 5 days or less. And fortunately, Printful says right here that 97.66% of their orders are shipped within 5 business days. Perfect. They say more than 50% are shipped within 3 business days or fewer. So you should be in good hands using Printful's Walmart integration. And again, they show you how to set it all up. And next, let me show you how to use Printful's extremely powerful sync feature. So we're going to go over to your stores. Once you have it all set up, you find your Walmart integration. Go ahead and click that. And once your listings load, you'll be able to see this little kind of secondary navigation in the page, and you can click Not Synced to view the products that are in your Walmart store that are not synced with Printful. By the way, of course, also make sure you have this setting enabled, which I believe is enabled by default, that says import not synced products from Walmart. That's essentially going to I did not mean to turn it off. Yeah, keep it on. That'll import your products that you created most likely through the Printify integration, right? And that way they'll be able to be fulfilled through Printful. Now, one thing I love about Printful is that whether you manually sync your products, which you can do right here by, again, clicking where it says not synced and then clicking the edit button, and you can sync each SKU, or my preferred method is you can just wait until the products sell. Now that Printful is integrated with Walmart, it'll be able to see these orders, and if it doesn't recognize the product, it will tell you, and now you just have to pay a little bit of attention and say, this just sold, but Printify is not going to fulfill it anymore. I will go and sync that SKU with Printful, okay? And the way you do that is you literally use the button in that email that will say, hey, we see the order, but the product's not recognized. Do you want to sync it? Yes, I do. Go to Printful's product catalog. Let's say it was like a Gildan 5000 t-shirt. So you can go down here and find the Gildan 5000 shirt. Okay, let's go to t-shirts. Again, and you can match. Printful has pretty much every product that's in the Printify catalog, generally speaking, especially like the main ones like Gildan 5000, one of the most popular t-shirts that I'm using as an example. Okay, so you go ahead, you find the product. You know what I mean? When you're syncing that SKU, you're going to have to select the exact color and the exact size. So let's say it's a color black, size large. Then you'll go ahead and upload the design as the last step. And then you go ahead and say, yes, this is correct. Make any last second modifications if there's any other additional ones needed. And that is it. From then on, Printful will fulfill that product if it is ordered through the Walmart integration, completely replacing your reliance on Printify. By the way, this works for any of Printful's integrations. They're able to see your orders. So as long as you allow it to, it will look for those products that it doesn't recognize and let you know essentially when it sees one of them sell in case you want to use Printful to fulfill it. Love this feature. It's been there for me through tough times since I started using Printful in 2017. Hope you find it as useful as I have. Guys, I'll link to them in the top of the description. Again, it's free to open an account. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon with another new video.